Karen. Welcome to Stitchin Heaven. We're here with American Glory, your 61 by 82 8-month-long Block of the Month program. In your first month's package, you will receive your pattern, and included on the first page is your fabric key, with month 1, 2, 3, etc. And also in your package, you will see your lovely fabrics. Fabric A, B, C, D, oh, and fabric number 1. I wonder why it's not E. Oh well. Also in your package, you will receive your welcome letter. In your welcome letter, you will have a picture of the beautiful American Glory quilt. You have a QR code to our Facebook group. Be sure to check out our Facebook group. We have a very active Facebook group. It's where you can join our quilting community. Be sure to post your pictures of your progress along the way. And if you get stuck, it happens to some of us, post your question. We will reach out to you and assist you, but I bet before we see it, somebody else in the group will jump in and give you some assistance. There is a link to our fabric keys, and as well, you can subscribe to our newsletter. If you need to, please be sure to update your billing information. If you missed this Block of the Month, be sure to go to the website. We have 8 new Block of the Month starting every month. Click on the Block of the Month tab and it'll take you to our large selection of Block of the Month programs. We at Stitchin Heaven are your Block of the Month headquarters, and we are happy you're here. Enjoy American Glory.